Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to make a quick tour for WPScan, which is a security scanner that helps you to find security weaknesses within WordPress installations. The main features of WPScan are username enumeration, password cracking, vulnerability enumeration, and plugin enumeration. Now let's understand what is WordPress for those who don't know. WordPress is a free open source content management system and is the most popular tool for creating websites. Once installed and configured, you can build pretty much any type of site you want with WordPress. A blog, a forum, a business site, a social network, and so on. The possibilities are endless. That's the reason why 27% of all websites are built with WordPress. Okay, so now I will switch to my Kali machine and show you the WPScan tool. I forgot to mention that WPScan is not supported on Windows, but it does come pre-installed on Kali Linux. So in your terminal type wpscan-help and the help session gives you information on how you can use the WPScan tool. Here you can see different examples like how to enumerate users, install themes, plugins, password brute force, and a lot more. And if you scroll up you can see all the options, but I will leave this for you to read. Now I will stop the video here and in the next lesson I will show you how to hack a WordPress site using WPScan. So that's it for now, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.